This is something that we've been working towards for years and years, to be able to take our hospitality spirit as a company and our culture and our values and to extend those out into the communities that we serve.
Evolve has connected with Rebuilding Together as one of our first launch partners of our Building Hospitality program, which is our corporate social responsibility program that we launched here in 2021.
We're super excited that Rebuilding Together is connected with Evolve. We get the benefit of having their amazing employees or Evolvers helping in this neighborhood that really needs the help.
When I think about building hospitality, it's an extension of our culture. Evolve is a vacation rental hospitality company. What we're doing is taking 1% of every booking that's made on evolve.com, and we're dedicating that towards our building hospitality programs.
It's heartwarming, and it's just good that we all can come out together from Evolve and clearly make such a difference.
With partnerships like this, we're able to go in and do emergency repairs and safe at home repairs and general repairs. It makes a life-changing difference.
We really want to be able to serve communities that we operate in all around the nation. This is a launch point of something that we think can become really big and really meaningful and impactful.